I finally monetized my YouTube channel. That's because of you all. Nalom tiu kia ngaleng mi thumbe kia happy takina share sa kunolem. Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to tell the exciting news. Okay? Please watch till the end, don't skip it. Tuni kon video bolding hile ka kipa na ma khata hi a atop tan na saktia dun lan avekina net saktia dun lem. I'm really thankful to our Almighty God giving us such an opportunity to meet here again in this video. Okay, it's because of God we can see each other again in this video. So let us thank God for this. And secondly, I'm really thankful to all my viewers and all my subscribers. Because of you all, I could make this exciting news. I finally monetized my YouTube channel. That's because of you all, because of you are watching my video, because of you are watching right now, because you are going to watch till the end. That's why I could make my YouTube channel monetized because of you only. Thank you so much for your support and love. And please, if you are new to our channel, please like and subscribe and share to at least 3 of your friends. Oh, yeah, video account gending a hile ka monitor ka YouTube channel tu monetize pola hitai chi kan puang hi note ziak tuana et lel ziak zong hi ma atop tan jing ziak zong a hi dia happy takin ana serial lan ya ka channel tuana first time ana eta hile ana subscribe and like sakin lan nalom te mi thum kianga ana share sakinolem tua monetize kabol na eki ka channel tu kapat na hile kumni pang phading hita mom monetize kabol hak ma hi bol hak ma lam ka hi a hileleng kha monetize kabol na zia ka hile pathian kiang ziak pathian ziak kia lew hi ka chi a ziak tu New Year ki khom zel voi ma wa New Year thum khom na koi nei zel voi ma wa ya kha tu kumai hi dite pathian khuta kilat sak na bang ai kle i dei te e utte pathian kia nget na bang kinai ma tu kum sunga hon veng ding nget na bang kinai wa ya kha ken kha pathian kia tu kum sunga monetize na hon bo sak ding a hi cha ka thoma le pathian ka thom na hon dong ka ki pak lo pe ma tu monetize bo zo ta mo happy takin advertise hong pai le ana skip ke yung lan advertise apana sum ki muding a hi am hoya te kha ana skip lo na advertise le ana atop pen ana skip lo na it sucks tiadun ana skip lo na it sucks tiadun lan ma advertise hong pai te kha happy takin skip lo in ana it sucks work ana it work sakun lan advertise apana sum ki muding ha izia kama ken zong an hon pan tading kahi a to kha payment le ki fill up pay nai lo ziak tu US dollar $10 amma kha payment tele ki fill up pay nai lo intin $10 i suma account na $10 som chianga kha payment te ki fill up thei panding intin why zo $100 som chianga kha sum ki rak thei pan lai dia hi a to tu sum ki munai lo di hilale ki earn pan ma why zaka ana skip lo in happy takin ana it swak sak leu chin ka hon na hi emi te YouTube channel pan u thai ke le YouTube channel anei lunglut banga malele hi theilo thamma no le na hi doi ki support to ading wa kwa haite hoya de chi tom lo emi te tu social media lama ichau ma un ka theya unaw tha do te sign len ki support to alo zo hin ka theya amount te tu ki support ma wa hoi zo changkang za de hin ka the emi te sanga mo emi te tu isir khalile hinte he mo nin hoi khong ki sign tin hile unaw tha do te isir khale tu ama ole thing ki ama bang e ki pa thu hon gen zo mo hoi zo ki share to azil maule mawon share en le ya share ding mo ki support to ading tu mi hing te ding ya mo Heitan in video bolu hun sak mai du olem happy takin na channel video na first time hi lek ama ka gen ma bagina like and subscribe na bo sakin lan na lomte na tanawte na nuna pa na una sangamte happy takin na share sakin lan iki support wa ding wa no leng bang hi din ni wale keleng kai thei bang kahung pang ding share ding khong ya ike le banga shout out ding khong mo ike bang yam hi di khong am lenan gen du ma happy takin na share sakun lan keleng iki support to ake du ma. Thank you so much for watching till the